They make different sounds? Okay. Why do you think that is?
Because this one makes it like tick, 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 and this one like boom, boom, boom.
Oh.
I wonder why.
Maybe this one's skinnier than this one's fatter.
Oh. So you think? So let's bang. Where can we bang it?
And the ceiling?
Okay. Let's try it. Oh yeah. Now Miss Crockett asked if anything else is different. What do you think?
We put it together.
I mean,
I don't know. See this one.
oh, it's different depending on who's. But you know what? One it was skinnier, one was flatter. But is there anything else that's different about the sticks that might impact?
That this one has a circle
Okay.
and this one doesn't.
Oh, anything else? Wonder if there's anything else that might impact. Do you think the size matters? I know. Do you think it matters? I don't know if it does. So if you found a bigger stick, would you then expect it to be louder or quieter? Uh-huh. You think deeper?
This one's louder.
Okay. Oh. Yeah, that one almost sounds more hollow-like. So I wonder if it matters, like, or if you found one that's like even skinnier, what might happen?